Hi guys, Daniel here. Welcome to SidhuDa YouTube channel. Take a look at this complete video, then do it. I talk to you how to unlock Samsung device FRP lock protection. Without SIM, without OD cable, without PC, but how to do that? FRP. Factory Reset Protection. Lock protection is known as Factory Reset Protection, a new type of security lock. FRP is automatically activated when you set up a Google account on your device. Once FRP is activated, it prevents use of a device after a factory data reset, until you log in using the Google username and password previously set up on the device. Actually, this FRP lock is developed by Google and we provides our FRP unlock solution for free. Today here we are providing the methods to unlock FRP locked phones. You can use this solution for almost all FRP locked devices. Before starting, 1. Make sure that your device is well charged. Ideally, the battery level should be around 60 to 70%. The more the better. 2. Internet connection via Wi-Fi. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to bypass Google account on your Samsung Galaxy device.